Hey guys, it's me and back with another YouTube video. You may ask,
what happened with your eye?
I will tell you, I got hit by a hockey stick. It's not very special. I have a black eye for like a week now, but it's fine. I'm seeing normal. Today I wanted to learn you guys how I do my eyebrows. As you can see, I have like no eyebrows whatsoever. So the first technique is with brow pomade. I'm using NYX's Tape and Frame brow pencil. So what you will do is just open it. You may see I have used it a few times. I'm just going to dip it in. I have a mirror right here, so if I'm looking down, that means I'm looking in the mirror. So first you want to brush your eyebrows. And then just dip in some pomade. You want to use this type of brush, otherwise it won't be the same results as me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the outlines of my eyebrow. So once we have the outlines of the eyebrow, we're going to smooth it out with the brush. Just go up and down and you'll be fine. So now you have a little bit eyebrow. I'm going to dip in some more and then I'm going to use some powder. Second step is to use some powder and I'm going to use the same brush for it. I'm going to use Catrice eyebrow sets with brow powder, tweezer and brush, but I've lost all of them, so I'm just going to use the same brush. And I'm going to use first a lighter one and then go into the darker one. So what you will do with the powder is you will set the pomade. So here you have it with powder and pomade. Then just brush it in again. And then we're going to use a darker shade. And what you will do with the darker shade, you make the line a little bit sharper. I like this type of brow, it looks natural to me. And then we'll be moving on to hide a black eye. What you will need is some concealer and a brush. You also need red lipstick. It may sound like, what, red lipstick? But it will do the trick, trust me. And just a little bit blend it in with your finger, or you can use a brush, but I'm using my fingers right now. It looks like I'm making it worse, but I will guarantee you it will look fine afterwards. I'm going to use Essence Camouflage.
I'm not a beauty guru.
I'm just using this one because I have this left. Blend it in. So I'm going to use the other concealer that's from Revolution. And then just using a brush again. And then you will have no black eye under your eyes anymore. What I'm going to do is I'm going to also put it here. It's the same process. So what I will do now is I'm going to use some eyebrow powder. Darker shades will work better if you have a black eye. Then I'm going to use the Real Techniques brush. I'm going to do next is I'm going to use glitter shades. This one. And I'm going to use on top of it. And that's how you hide a black eye. I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to subscribe here below. Bye!